Okay, and welcome back to part 3 of my video. Oh god, you know what? I hope this is filming. Oh well, you know what? Start from scratch, whatever. You can call this part 3 if you want, and that's what I'm gonna make it. If that's only if I'm gonna, well, I might make it part 3. Part 3, it might just be a one video, one deal kind of thing. And that might be it. Because I don't know if this thing is recording. So this thing has been funny. I saw it recording a couple times, and then when I came back in here, it might have been recording, I'm not sure. But who knows? Because I saw the screen black. But it could have been because I accidentally bumped it when I was trying to catch it, and it might have fucked everything up. But okay, now here's the wiring diagram. And I marked on which one were the red and the yellow one here. So yeah, there's 3 wires like it shows here. And I'm going to show you which wires they're talking about. I can get this rubber band off here. Sort this out. Bear with me here, folks. I know you can't see anything, but I'm just trying to set this up for you guys so I can make this quick and easy. Because I don't want to be here all day doing this, but I mean, if I have to, I will. Okay. So, wires are kind of long. But now, here are the extra wires. These ones right here are the extra wires that you're not really supposed to do anything with. I guess. I don't know why, but that's just what they told me. They said just to cap these 2 off, and I don't really want to put them under the same wire cap or not, but that's just what they told me to do. I'm probably going to be safe. I'm going to do it individually capped off. So yeah. Now here's the yellow wire. This yellow wire and these other ones on the bottom part right here are the ones that you want, I believe. Because that's what it shows here in the wiring diagram. If you can see here. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I marked it here in pen, yellow and red, which ones are which, because I remember which ones are which and stuff. And so yeah. Oh, there's a train coming. Those things are really loud. This thing is not completely soundproof, but it's pretty sound deadening. No, and it says here, step number 1, connect both pin sets of the socket before connecting the red and yellow wires ground Yellow wires. Step number 2, ground case in accordance with the National Electrical Code. With linear lamp, use starting aid. Now remember, this is from -20 or -22 degrees Fahrenheit. -20 degrees Fahrenheit. That's what it says right here on the, right there in the ballast. -20 degrees Fahrenheit. Right there. And then it says on number 4, ballast case temperature cannot exceed 20. Okay, so that's just saying the precautions. Remote mounting varies. Okay, a lot of this stuff is just looks like just warnings. And then number 7, it says cap insulated any unused red power wire when connecting power wires. 2 power wires, they must be joined to make a connection before attaching it to the socket. Okay, so that's good. That's good to know. BLS black lead leads before studs, connect dimensions, blah blah blah. Okay, I don't know what that is. What? Oh no, wait, yeah I do. Actually, never mind. Okay, so yeah, okay. So I'm probably gonna trim these wires because they're really long. I'm gonna set this back in the tripod. Once again, I'm very sorry if the quality of this video is kind of poor. I mean, it shouldn't be too poor for you guys, but I mean, it should be good enough that you guys know what I'm talking about, and this should help you out. It's cold. But, jeez, why is it cold? But, okay, now. I'm trying to find my wire strippers. I don't know where I put my wire strippers, but so now I'm gonna cut these. Oh, did I have a secret? Oh boy. So now I'm gonna cut these to length. I'm gonna cut about 12 inches off probably. Maybe, I don't know. yellow one off. Right, the black and white ones, I'm not going to cut those ones off because those are already short enough. But, yeah. So I'm guessing that they said that these two right here, these are the ones. Oh, this looks confusing, but these ones are the ones right here that. These ones right here are the ones that that you don't need. But they said that, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure that I think that they're trying to say that they're trying to say is that you need these two capped together in order for this to work before you connect these other 3 wires together. So that works. That's what we're gonna do. Just chuck those ones and then cap them together. So I mean, it makes sense. I hope I'm doing this right.